test for makeup questions. For question number 2, I chose E, down a group, the period position has no effect. I had my understanding backwards, and it's actually question A, down a group, and from right to left across a period. Same thing with question 3, the radius generally decreases as we move up a group, from left to right across a period, B. For number 4, which one of the following atoms has the largest radius? I chose chlorine, while it is actually sulfur. And it's sulfur because there's one more to the left than chlorine on the periodic table. For question 8, I chose sodium instead of cesium because on the periodic table, the cesium was spelled wrong. But it is cesium because it is lower in the metals than sodium. 11, this is the question we asked you. Lattice energy is the energy required to convert a mole of ionic solid into its constituent ions in the gas phase. For 13, we found the Lewis structure of CO3 2-. We believe it is A. By we, I mean me, Dylan, and Sergio. And when we looked it up online, it said it was A as well. And then for 15, the central atom in blank violates the octet rule. The central atom in BF3, which is answer C, violates the octet rule because there's only 6 valence electrons in boron. And then 18, the molecular geometry of CHF3 molecule is blank and the molecule is blank. It's tetrahedral and it's polar. Polar because it goes in one direction, while it's tetrahedral because there's 4. A typical triple bond consists of 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds. I had it switched up. Using the VSEPR model, the electron domain geometry of the central atom in SF2 is, I said linear. I thought it was bent, but there was no bent, so I said linear. It is actually tetrahedral. The model is tetrahedral while the geometry is bent. The VSEPR model. Using the VSEPR model, the molecular geometry of the central atom in CF4 is tetrahedral. I don't know why I said trigonal. And that is it.